In this video, I will show you how to add a friend on Discord. So it's very quick and simple. First thing you have to do is click on here and then click add friends. And then you can add them either by sharing an invite link through any social media app, or you can just send them a link. But the quickest way is to add by username. So click on add by username. And then you have to tell your friend to go to the exact same location, and then you have to enter their username. So their username will be shown right over here. So on your friend's phone you have to go and then ask them for their username. So I'm going to enter mine here. I'm going to enter my friend's username. Okay, and then you have to click send friend request, and then here see it sends the friend request. And now they have to go on their phone. They will see something like this. They have to click pending, then they have to click on the check accept. Then once they have accepted, you will see your friend have been added and you can message them. So you can see here you are able to message each other. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.